Blossom Busters! Previously on Grossery Gang vs. Shopkins.
Oh, I'm famished. Wait, maybe we should go get something to eat.
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry too.
Oh my god, what is that thing?
Yucky Mart!
Oh, this is so gross.
I really do think we should be going.
But Rarity...
Hey, where are you going? You still didn't pay for your purchase. Yeah. Hey, don't forget about me.
Ah! Okay, this has gone way too far. Let's go Fluttershy now. But Rarity... No more worries. I don't want to hear anything more about it. Come on, let's go now.
And now...
Oh, that place was terrible. Come on, Rarity. It wasn't that bad. I'm still hungry. Maybe we can find somewhere else to eat. Oh, Fluttershy, there is no way that there's going to be another... What?
Hey, Snow Blossom Busters here.
Wow, it looks like Rarity and Fluttershy stopped into Shopkins. One shop, you can't stop.
Chef Club.
Hot Spot Kitchen. Take a spin in the microwave. Includes 2 exclusive Shopkins and recipe book. Grab a book and start to cook. Find and combine your Shopkins to create delicious dishes. You'll be loving the ovens as you make and bake the day away. Then serve up your meals when the cooking's done. This little kitchen's a recipe for fun. Perfect for Shoppies, dolls, and Shopkins. Let's open up shop. Oh my god. Ready for business. Look, Rarity. Oh, goodness. Welcome to the Hot Spot Kitchen. Oh, hi there. You look delicious. Excuse me? Where should I get some food around here? What would you like to eat? You can eat this. Yes, please. You can eat this. Oh, thank you so much for your hospitality.
Free of charge.
What? Yep, everything we sell here is free. I love this place.
Bam.
Oops.
What are you doing here?
We came back for revenge.
Yeah, they didn't pay for their purchase.
What's up there?
The Shopkins Chef Club recipes book.
Get it! See you later, Stopkins.
We're so sorry we brought them here.
Quick, they're getting away. Quick, we have to go get them.
Hurry up, they're coming to get us.
Guys, this is not funny. Fluttershy, do the stare.
Whoa, okay.
Guess we should go now. Oh my god, thank you so much, Rarity and Fluttershy. How can we ever repay you? Like and subscribe.
And make sure to put in the comments whether you liked us
Or us. Oops. High five. No. And keep in mind, it might come for revenge.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Thanks for watching.